Taliban do not meet these benchmarks, we should not meet the Taliban in Europe. Full stop. Dear colleagues, we debate the brutal repression of women and society in Afghanistan here for the umpteenth time. Nobody can claim not to know. And yet, at the same time, the Commission invites the Taliban for deportation talks, technical talks, as if this had nothing to do with politics. But there is nothing technical about opening doors to extremists, while those who fought these extremists are stuck in Afghanistan, Iran or Turkey waiting years for visa appointments. And in Germany, the Taliban are already back in consulates as if that were the most normal thing in the world. The EU agreed to benchmarks for engagement with the Taliban. This House, the Commission and the Council. Respect for human rights, unhindered humanitarian access, prevention of Afghanistan becoming a base and exporter for terrorism, and an inclusive government. Since then, it only got worse. So if the Taliban do not meet these benchmarks, we should not meet the Taliban in Europe. No one, full stop.